Hey guys, today I have made this tractor which goes in all direction. Okay, mainly this is outlook. How pretty is this? I have made this tire at the front and then connected these BO motors at the back and then connected it to the wireless system. I made the body and make it like this. Here I made the connections and this is a wireless antenna and this is my transmitter. It will work like this, and there is a how this is just a desi tractor, as you can see. Let me show you working now. Yeah, you can see how it moves. Enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Creativity Science for You.